funny thing about life lessons is that we tend to forget it, and even if we remember it, we rarely apply them in our life. In that case, I have 3 life lessons that I want to share with you all. Lesson number 1: overthinking is not going to change anything. Because when you overthink, you're going to invest your energy mentally, you're going to create theories that doesn't exist, and you're going to expect something out of it. Overthinking about something that's not in your control is not going to help you in any way. Instead, it's going to mentally degrade you as much as possible, and that to recover is going to take hella amount of time. Instead of using your energy for that, it's better that we invest that in something that's going to give us future returns. Lesson number 2: not everyone will like you, and it's okay. I have learned this lesson in a very hard way during my 9th and 12th standard. Everyone doesn't need to like you. The reason is you are something different and the other person is something different. And everyone will not have the same mindset, and everyone will not have the same life lessons. If someone doesn't like you, that is completely normal. You don't have to chase them, and they don't have to chase you. If you're going to change your entire self with someone liking you, they're not going to like you. They're going to like the way you projected yourself to them. Instead of wanting everyone to like you, it is better that you can be yourself and do not care about others. And not everyone can like you, and not everyone should like you. Real peace comes from not chasing others. It only comes from you living the life you want to live. The last and final lesson, which is really my personal favorite: taking care of yourself is not selfish. Please accept it. Instead of putting others above you, put yourself above everyone. But do not get things to your head and do not become overconfident, because I have been in that place. Be self-aware. Be self-aware. Say no to things. Say no to people that you are not okay with. You need to focus on yourself. You need to take care of yourself. You should be here in your head. Choosing yourself is not selfish, okay? If someone is actually not feeling okay, they want to step into your boundaries, they are not your people. As simple as that. Because the right people, when you apply the boundaries, are going to be like, great, you did that. I'm so proud of you did that. Because when you are not going to take care of yourself at the cost of someone else's need, you're going to regret so much in life. And if you want to live a regret-free life, make sure you do things for you and you take actions for you. Everything will go smooth when you take care of yourself. Initially, it's going to be hard. You don't do the hard things. Why do you expect the results of the hard things? Like, why? So instead of pleasing others, please yourself. Please yourself. Put yourself above everyone. Love yourself to the core that no one's opinion is going to crush your self-esteem. Having self-respect, self-boundaries, self-restriction is way more healthier than not having it. Let me know what was your favorite life lesson and what you have learned in life, so that we both will exchange informations like this and so that we both are connected. And I'm waiting to listen to your stories in the comments. And that's it for this video. Until then, love yourself. Bye bye.